Assalamu alaikum, myself Ehkam Ansari. Student, I am back again with yet another video lecture of information technology. In this particular video lecture, we will be talking about some more built-in function of JavaScript. In our previous lecture, we have seen different built-in function, like we have seen two uppercase, two lowercase, we have seen parse int, parse float. Now in the same series, we are moving towards a new function that is called alert, and one more we will see, that is confirm. Both are the JavaScript built-in function, means both function are given by the JavaScript language itself. Okay, so first we will see what is a alert function, and then we will see what is a confirm function. As name is very self-explanatory. If you see the alert function, means this function will alert the user. Okay, basically if you are don't know what is exactly alert, but if you see the meaning or definition of alert, means we are going to alert someone. To whom we are going to alert? If you say, so the user who uses your website or your application. So at certain time, for example, when you provide any application to your user, in that application you have a form. In that form you have to enter the contact number of a particular person, but by mistake if user enter character instead of the number, as we know the mobile number or contact number must be in number, but the user, for example, by mistake or intentionally he enters some character. So at that particular time you get some pop-up block, a pop-up box. That box is called mostly as an alert box, because in that alert box you will get some message. Okay, for example, if you are filling a form and you are entering a wrong contact number, or you are entering some character instead of the number, so at that time you will get a specified message, means please enter number only, or you will get some message like inside that field you have to enter, or you cannot enter character. So these type of box are called as an alert box, which alerts the user. Okay, so when user say okay, I will fill some particular detail or write detail or as per your requirement, so it will allow. Okay, in the same way, in some cases you get a confirm box. Again it will be a pop-up box. In confirm message it will create a pop-up box. In that you will get two options. Sometimes, for example, you will notice that, or you have experienced this type of box or this type of alert box or confirm box, like for example you are going to delete something, or you are going to save something. For example, you have filled the application form, any scholarship form or registration form or admission form. Now you have filled, you have entered your whatever detail was expected. Okay, now you have filled, but at the time of submission, at the time of save, okay, when you click on submit button, again you will get a pop-up message or a pop-up box. In that particular box you will get a message. Okay, first message will be a written message, or a text message will be, are you sure you want to submit, or are you sure you want to click on confirm button or submit button. This is the message. Okay, now on the basis of your decision, whether you want to change it again, or now you want to confirm that is your final submission. Okay, means you have two choice. At that time you have two choice, whether you want to confirm your application submission or you want to cancel it. Means if you click on cancel, again you will move back to your previous application. Means at that time you can enter some, or you can change or edit your application detail. But at the time of okay, means now you are confirmed, now you are going to submit your final submission or final data you want to submit. So at that time you will click OK button. Are you getting my point? Means confirm box will ask you two questions. Either you want to confirm submission or you want to cancel on it. Means you want more addition, more editing in your form or application. Okay, so the basic objective of alert box, it will create an alert box. In that you will get a message. Okay, so you have to read that message. And one more thing I just want to explain you, that if you use alert box and confirm box, the rest of application will stop. Means the page where you have used alert box and confirm box until you click on OK or cancel button. For example, if you are using alert box, it will give only one button, that is the OK button. So when the alert box will pop up on your screen, the rest of the thing on that page will be disabled. Means you cannot access that thing. First you have, that was it's called the alert. Now means your intention, your full intention could be on that alert box. So when you click on OK, now the rest of the application or rest of page you can access. In the same way, confirm box always create a pop-up message in which you have two choices, whether you want to click on OK or you can click on cancel button. But again, at the same time, when confirm message will appear on your screen, the rest screen will be disabled. Okay. So finally, I think I have given a little idea regarding the alert and confirm box. But let's see some example, and after that I will show you how we can perform this thing, or how we can use these built-in function in JavaScript in coding section. So let's have a look on definition. What our definition says according to alert function. So alert function, as I told you, that alert function is a built-in function of JavaScript which is used to display a pop-up box. Okay, with some message. This is very important, huh? A pop-up box with some message, and the basic objective of this function is to alert the user. Means, as I say, if you are running any application and if any pop-up box will appear on your screen, the first thing that you have to confirm it, you have to click on OK, you have to click on cancel, whatever option you have, whether it's an alert box or it's a confirm box. So the first thing is that you have to submit this thing. Okay, you have to click on this thing, otherwise you will not access your rest of application. Okay, so alert the user with a specified message. When user click on OK button, okay, it will be closed. Okay, see, I have given an example. I have created a pop-up box or an alert message. So the coding for alert message, just you need to write the alert and the function definition, that is the opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, inside that you have to pass a message. For example, whatever message you pass in this box, in this bracket, inside double inverted comma, this message will appear on your pop-up box. So I have written alert hello, this is Ahkam Ansari, this is an alert box. So when you run this program, this line of code inside the JavaScript, you will get this pop-up box. The white color I have given, please student, this is an alert box. Okay, where we have the message. Okay, hello, this is the message. See, pop-up box, this box is called as an alert pop-up box with some message. Which message? This is the message. Okay, and where you have to write the message, inside that bracket you have to write, and inside double inverted comma, whatever message you will write inside that, it will appear on your pop-up box. And with message, what we have, and one OK button. Okay, with message and one OK button will be displayed. In alert box you will get one OK button. We don't have any cancel button. Okay, we don't have any cancel button inside the alert box. Please remember, the only difference between alert box and confirm box is that how you will you can say how you will read, or how you come to know whether it's a alert box or whether it's confirm box. The big difference, or the basic difference, is that alert box have only OK button. The only option you have that you can click on OK button, then it will close. And in confirm box you will have one more button, that is called cancel. So at that time we have two choices, whether you want to click on OK or we want to click cancel. When I will show you cancel button, then we will discuss more regarding confirm box. The first thing that I think now you are very clear with the alert box. Alert box is a built-in function in JavaScript. Okay, or alert function is a built-in function in JavaScript which is used to create a pop-up box, and in that pop-up box you will get a message and one OK button. Okay, and inside that you have given some message. Even you can perform some arithmetic operation too. Even you can perform some display value. Okay, so alert box will always display a pop-up box with some message. This message can be of any type. It can be of number, it can be of integer, it can be of string, it can be of boolean value, true, false. You can pass any type of value inside that alert box. Okay, so if I write a, for example, a plus b, so the answer will be a, b. Even you can perform a equal to 10, b equal to 20, and you can perform a plus b, so the output will be 30. So you can display any type of data, no issue. But the thing is that if you use alert box, you will get one pop-up box, and that pop-up box have only one option, that is the OK button. When you click on OK, this will display the message. Okay, student. Now this thing we will see live in our coding part. Just don't take tension. I am moving toward the next thing, that is our confirm function. So like we have seen confirm function, the alert function is very similar to confirm Confirm function is a built-in function of JavaScript, okay, and which is used to display a pop-up box. Same thing with OK and cancel button. The only difference that inside alert function we have seen there is only one button called OK, but inside cancel, but inside confirm box we have OK as well as cancel. See, this is an example of the confirm function. So inside that you will get one message, as similar to our alert box. You will get one message and you will get two buttons. One is OK button and one is cancel button. Now on the basis of users answer or users input, whatever user click, if user click OK button, the result will be true, okay, the return value will be true. Means, for example, if you are going to fill, as I told you that you are going to fill a form, and after filling all the details, now you have to submit. So when you click on submit button, you will get this pop-up message, okay. When you click on submit button, you will get this pop-up message. Here you will get some message written over here that yes, do you really want to submit, okay. So in that case, if you say OK, it will send true result, and if you click cancel, it will send false result, okay. So true and false will be on the basis of your click or your press. If you press OK, it will give a true value, and if you click on cancel, it will give a false value, okay. Again, don't worry, I will show you live. Just try to understand these are the built-in function, and just try to understand the objective and difference of both alert and confirm. But these functions are very useful, and it is very common in JavaScript, because everywhere you have to use these alert and confirm messages, because JavaScript is basically used for validation of input. In that case, you have to validate the user. Every time you have to interact with the user, every time you have to pass some message, and you have to take confirmation from the user. Well, yes, this is the contact number. For example, I have just told you, in case of some date of birth or any minute of the time, we use this type of function because it is very important. Even inside, when you log in your form, in that case, if you enter wrong value, again you will alert by some message. So these are the alert box. These are the very useful in JavaScript and in any programming language, okay. So now I am moving toward the coding part, in which we will see these things live, okay. So the first thing is that if we have to write our JavaScript code inside the HTML page, so the basic thing is that we have to create a simple HTML field. After that, I will use a script tag to insert or to create JavaScript line or code. Then we will use this function, okay. So I am moving toward my desktop, in which I will search my notepad application. So this is my notepad application. I will click, then I have to write code inside the HTML5, so that this line will compulsory for HTML file, that is a doc type, okay. Then it is better to write in capital letter, okay, doc type HTML. After that, you have to write normal HTML tags. This is my opening HTML and this is my closing HTML. Rest all HTML tags or elements. HTML tags are also called as HTML elements. So you have to write between these opening and closing HTML elements. After that, one of the most important tag of HTML, that is body tag, okay. Then so I have created the basic structure of HTML tag, in which we have HTML tag, head tag and body tag. Now you have to, for example, I just want to change the background color, bg color equal to green. Even we can change background color by using CSS, or we can change background color by JavaScript, but we will change by using JavaScript in our later videos, okay. So click on save, and first time it will ask where you want to save. I will say okay, save on my desktop, and the file name will be, for example, I am working on alert, so I am going to use some similar name, alert.html, okay. So please make sure if you are naming the HTML page, so please don't use any deserved word or reserved word, okay. Don't use alert prompt, don't use this word, okay. That's why I have added 3T or 4T after R, okay. Now you will get a brand new HTML page which name is alert somewhere, okay. So when you click on that, you will get this page. The background color of that page is green because I have just added BG color inside the body tag, green. Okay, now you have choice, you have option, either you can add your JavaScript inside the body tag, or you have same option you can add inside the head tag. So it is up to you where you want to use. Okay, I am going to inside the head tag. So to insert any scripting language, you have to use script tag. Inside the HTML page, I have added script tag. Okay, this is my opening and closing script tag. Now between these two opening and closing script tag, it will consider as a scripting line or any scripting language which you are going to use. So I have to tell my browser that I am going to use a language, and the name of that language is JavaScript. So JavaScript said okay, mention inside the language attribute. So a script tag have an attribute called language. So I have to pass the value for that language. So language is my JavaScript. Okay. Now whatever you write inside this opening and closing tag of a script, it will considered as a JavaScript code. As I have told you a number of times, JavaScript is a special language, is a different language which have certain standard and rules and regulation or structure, syntax, grammar. Okay, so we have to work according to their rules and regulation. So the thing is that I have to use alert box. So simply I will just write alert, and inside that I will pass some message. For example, I will write hello, this is an alert box. Okay, I have written. So this function, that is alert function, will create an alert box and you will get this message. Okay, you will get this message on your alert box. Okay, let me save the file. Okay, then I am going back to my browser. When I refresh, you will get this. Okay, okay student, you are getting this box is called as an alert box, and you are getting message over here, hello, this is an alert box, and you will get only one button, that is OK button. Okay, and at the time of pop-up message, you will not access anything on your browser or your application. The rest all thing will be disabled except your alert box. When you click on that OK button, there you can access your rest of the page. So you have to click on OK button. Getting? Even inside alert box, you can perform certain calculation. For example, you are writing alert 20 multiply by 10. What do you have written? 20 multiply by 10. So what would be the answer? 200. See, you are getting 200 as a value. So you can display anything, but you will get a pop-up box and a OK button. Okay, even you can perform anything, like for example, you have declared a variable where a equal to 50, b equal to 30. Okay, you have written, and now you are going to display the addition of a and b. So you have to write where a over here 2, or you can put after semicolon. Okay, so where b. Now you want to perform addition, so just write a plus b. Means inside that you can pass any type of value. Initially we have display a message that was of type is a string. Now I am going to pass some arithmetic operation. Okay, when I refresh, you will get 80. Why you get 80? Because you have written in 50 plus 30, that is a 80. Okay, so we have to end up with my first function, that is alert. Hope you could understand what I have told you, what I have teach you. It is very easy. Just you need to write a function, then in this bracket, and if you want to pass a message, you have to write in double quote, because we have to pass in string form. And if you want to pass anything which you want to calculate, you have to pass according to that rules and regulation. Okay, now I am moving towards the next function of JavaScript, that is a confirm. Okay, so for example, I have declared a variable where a, okay, now a equal to, I am writing a equal to confirm. Please student, please pay attention, confirm. After that I have to pass some message. Okay, or if you don't write, for example, I am not going to store any value, I just want to show you simple confirm box. Inside that I am going to write hello, I am confirm box. Okay, now you have written this thing in confirm box, so you will get a confirm box. Simply you will get a confirm box similar to our alert box. Okay, let me refresh it. Now this is your confirm box. What is the difference between the alert box? Again you will get a message similar to our alert box, but inside that you will get two buttons. Okay, you will get two buttons. One button is off. Okay, one button is off, okay, and another button is off, cancel, and you will get one message. Okay, so now on the basis of user selection, if user select okay, true message will go, and if user click cancel, false message will go. Okay student, so when you, right now I have not written any code. Okay student, right now I have not written any code for user interaction. Means I have just display a message by using confirm box, but it returns some value. Okay, when user click OK, it will return true value, and when user click false, it will return false value, or return user click on cancel button, it will return false value. Actually I want to show you that live, but I have to use if else condition. Okay, I have to use if else condition. For example, now I am going to store, actually if and else condition we have not touched yet, but I have to use inside that. So don't focus on if else condition right now. We will have discussion on that particular if and else condition in greater detail in our later videos. So please don't be panic. I am going to use if and else condition, but the time is that you have to think how confirm box send two different value on user interaction, and we will show the message on the basis of user. Means when user click on OK, what could be the message, and when the user click on cancel, what could be the message. Currently I am just telling you as a theoretical part. Means I am saying you that if user click OK, you will get true value. If user click cancel, you will get to false value. But actually it's not going to happen. Means you cannot see this. So I just want to show you how it will work, and I will show you how two different messages pass on the basis of user interaction. But to show this thing, I have to use one additional thing which we have not touched, that is a if and else condition. Okay, so don't focus on if else condition, just focus on how two different value are sent by your confirm box on the basis of user interaction. Okay, so I am going back to my here. On the whatever value user click, whatever button user click, I will store inside variable. So I have to declare a variable called var or a. Okay, now I am writing a equal to. So just try to understand the meaning of this line. I have declared a variable. As we know, declares are used to store some values, so that's why I have declared a variable. Then I am going to store some value. If I write a equal to 10, means what is the meaning of that line? Means you are storing 10 inside variable a. Okay, in the same way I have declared a variable, and now instead of 10, here I am writing a equal to this line. Means this expression, this thing we have already done, but I just want to show, means whatever output of this line will be, it will store inside a. And we know, as I just told you, that there is two possible answer, because there is it's not prompt box where we are going to type, but again it written two values on the basis of user. If user click OK, it will send true. Okay, and if user click cancel, it will send false. So there is two possible value that can be sent from the user. So that value will store on my variable. So on whatever value user, whatever button user will click, it will store inside variable A. Getting, student? Means this confirm will create a confirm box. This will display a message, and two button will automatically display because of confirm function. But when user click on OK button or cancel button, there can be two possible answer at a time. Both the answer will not, both button cannot be pressed. Okay, either user can press OK button. If user click on OK button, the value of A will be true. If user enter cancel button, press cancel button, the value of A will be false. So I just want to show you. Let me show you. Document dot write. I just want to show you document dot write A. What I have done till now, I'm not going to use, let it be, if else condition, let it be. I'm going to use document dot write A. Okay, so whatever value will be passed from that confirm box, it will store inside variable A, and now I am going to display the value of A. So there could be two possible value. One value could be true or one value could be false. Let me show you. I click on refresh. Now you will get this message. When you click on OK, you are getting true. See the message? You are getting true. Why? Because, let me refresh it again. When you click on OK, the true will go. Click, you are getting true. Let me click on refresh. When I click on cancel, you will get false. See the, student? I think I have shown you in a very great detail, and one of the easiest way how we can use confirm box and how the value has been written from a confirm box to your application bag. Okay, what is mean by written? Written means this function will send back something. So the value has been sent and it is stored inside variable A, and now I am going to display the value of A. Okay, student, getting? So that's it for today. Now in next lecture or in a student, please, you are in standard 11 and I am teaching you one of the important topic, not for your syllabus or your standard 11, but also for your future. If you are looking for a career in IT, so I think it is the best language to learn and best language to apply for any job, because today if you see the technology which are currently available in all the market or all the companies, there is the base of that language is nothing but JavaScript. So the JavaScript is now booming everywhere. We have n number of language basic, and the base is JavaScript. You will get Ajax, you will get JSON, you will get jQuery. These are nothing but some library or some advanced thing, but the base and basic thing is all on JavaScript only. So that's why I am going in very detailed, student. It's not only I am teaching on the basis of for the syllabus only, but my intention is to taught you in the way where you can apply this thing in your life or in your companies also. Okay, so that is for today. If you have any query, any question related to this function, please feel free to post your queries. Inshallah, I will try to answer you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.